Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Import the video you want to slow down. Once the clip is on the timeline, scrub to the area you want slowed and use the split tool to isolate that segment. Make sure to trim any excess before applying speed changes, because changes are non-destructive yet easier to manage on a short selection. This prepares you to apply precise speed controls and preserves original timing for surrounding clips. Now select the isolated segment and tap speed to see normal and curve options. Normal gives a steady slowdown where you set a value like 0, 5 or 0, 25, choose custom to type an exact percent. Curve lets you craft ramping slow motion. Pick a preset or edit keyframes to change speed over time for smoother motion. Once done, play back and watch for judder. Make minor adjustments to values or add frame blending to improve smoothness. Finish by refining playback and preparing export. If your device supports optical flow or frame blending, enable it to generate intermediate frames and reduce stutter. Otherwise, add short crossfades or duplicate frames to smooth the cut. Make sure your project and export settings use an appropriate frame rate. Export at 60 FPS if you slow to 60 FPS source, or you'll see choppy results. If problems persist, check original frame rate and try a milder slowdown or re-record at a higher FPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.